Hey guys, let's see how to change the Wi-Fi in a Ring indoor camera. So it's super simple. Just grab your cell phone and bring your Ring up. There we go. You just select your camera. And here you can go to the settings. There we go. You just come down and look for device health. And here you see the option to change the network. Super simple. Just click here and change the Wi-Fi network. So now you need to be with your cell phone near to the device. So the light is flashing blue, just need to check that. See, that's flashing here. So basically the camera is in setup mode and you can just select the Wi-Fi, okay? So just confirm the light is flashing blue.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Okay, now here you can select the network. You see that I have a 2.4 gigahertz network. I'm using this one right now, and I can just see all the networks available and connect to this one. Here, just enter the password. Let me just use one here. That's for testing. So just confirm. I have here the temp pass. Continue.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
And there we go. It's connected. And now you see here the status as offline because the camera is going to reboot. And
Setup successful.
And sometime later gonna see that working, okay? So it's super simple. Just need to wait for the camera to come back and you're good to go. Let me just come back here. Wait for a while and come back here to device health. And you see now the camera is online, okay? And it's connecting to the new network, as you can see here. So that's the way you can connect your Ring indoor camera to a new Wi-Fi. I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.